Unifrost R1000SVN double door fridge. You've got two doors, heavy duty spring loaded hinges on the bottom, stay open at 90. As you can see, we have 3 shelves per door, which is a total of 6 shelves, which are, you can adjust the levels of the shelving. We can add more shelves to the unit. Fully stainless steel on the inside, and on the outside 2 heavy duty fans on the evaporator for quick pull down. We have the push fit door seals and the self-closing doors. Each door is lockable. The unit is 1200 left to right, 740D, 1950 high, so it'll fit in all access doors. Lockable casters, and you have a Corel controller which is easy to control and change temperatures.